Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. My name is Martina and this is the Secret Craft Room. I love Disney inspired Christmas decor, so for this video I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful mirrored stars with glittery Mickey Mouse heads. Please don't forget to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up if you like it, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Today's video is a collaboration with Creality, and I'm going to use my Creality Falcon2 Pro 22 watts to cut out the pieces I need for my stars. I created the template in Photoshop and then I used Lightburn to make all the adjustments for the Laser Engraver. Then I transferred the files to my machine using a memory card. Then I made sure that the wood sheets was placed correctly by pressing the frame button, and then I started the cutting process. I always used to cut everything by hand for my projects, but using my Creality Falcon2 Pro makes that process so much faster and easier. To cut out the mirror pieces, I used one of the wood pieces as a template. These mirror sheets are made of thin plastic and are easily cut with scissors. Next, I glued the star pieces together and let them dry completely. Then I painted them with gold paint. Next, I decided to use gold foil to make the gold more shiny, and for that I am using this glue called Fix Glue. It is a glue that leaves a tacky surface once dry. Next, I covered everything with a coat of glossy Mod Podge. Then I mixed glossy Mod Podge and gold glitter and added it to all the edges, and then I sprinkled more gold glitter on top. I did the same thing with the Mickey heads. Once dry, I added a second coat of Mod Podge mixed with the gold glitter to seal in the glitter. Next, I glued the mirror pieces in place using hot glue. Then I removed the protective film from the mirror before I glued the Mickey Mouse head in place. I decided to use green ones instead of gold. Please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up if you liked it, and remember to subscribe if you like my content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.